The Blizzard Women's Black Pearl is a great all-mountain ski that's gonna take you through the groomers, through powder, through bumps, through trees. It's super versatile, and short turns, long turns, this is the ski that you want for all over the mountain. It's rocker tip and tail, so the ski floats through all of the powder and loose snow. The edge construction is designed right into the ski, so it transfers the energy under your foot as you're carving. This Isocore and bamboo makes it really light, and when you have a light ski, you can ski all day in it. It's awesome at carving through all this snow here. Woo! Yeah, this is fantastic.